What is your name?
My name is Mariby Cladores.
How old are you?
I am 41 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Married? Yes, ma'am.
Do you have son or daughter?
No, I don't have.
Okay. How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am. 4 years and 4 months.
Where?
In Kuwait.
Okay. How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong
2
Kong?
years.
Where is your latest employer living in?
New territories.
Okay. How many square feet of your employer's house?
700 square meter.
Square feet.
I
Okay.
square feet.
How many family members are they?
5. 3 adults and 2 kids. The ages of the 2 kids is 4 and 8 years old.
Okay. Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 5:30 in the morning. I
Mhm.
prepare first the breakfast for myself, and then at 6:10 I wake up the 2 kids and preparing their meal, and then after that I prepare the meal for their mother, and
Okay.
then preparing them to school, and
Do you
then
send them to school?
no, ma'am, her parents only. Me,
Okay.
I just want to pick up them.
Okay. So, do you do the household chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
I like cleaning, cooking, and laundry.
Do you go to market?
Sometimes, ma'am, if the pupu she want me to go to the market, I have something to buy, but mostly we accompanied by the pupu.
Okay. So, do you prepare dinner?
Yes, ma'am, but
What time?
6,
What time do you eat for the dinner?
7, ma'am.
Until what time you go to sleep?
10:30,
Okay.
10 to 10:30.
Where will you go on your holiday?
In the park.
The park only? Do you meet your friends?
Sometimes we meet there, but mostly I'm alone in the park.
Okay, so what kind of household chores are you good for?
Cleaning.
Cleaning? How about cooking and childcare? Are you okay?
Yes, are you okay? I am okay, ma'am, for childcare, cleaning, and elderly care.
Okay, so what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
I have the small stores in my house, and then I have also to take care of my dogs.
Okay, thank you.